What's up, guys? Sophie here again. So in today's video, I will be showing you a new strategy to earn money online in an easy-to-follow step-by-step process. The best part is that no skills are required to do the tasks. Also, no credit card is required. In order to get started, you don't have to invest any money. Once you complete setting up the strategy, all you have to do is to wait for the money to start flowing into your PayPal account or any other account with a payment mode of your choice. If you can watch YouTube videos and you can copy and paste links between several websites, then you're good to go. Initially, I couldn't earn more than $50 per hour. But after optimizing the strategy, I was able to earn up to $200 per hour. Hopefully, this strategy will teach you something, and you will potentially earn even more for yourself. Imagine how life would be nice if you could earn this kind of money consistently. It would be so easy to reach your targets early and be able to pay off your bills. You could also buy that one thing you've been rejecting from your budget list. And also your vacation would now come handy, and you would be able to book your trip and travel to your favorite destinations. So, let's find out how this strategy really works. Welcome back. Let's get started now. But first, hit that like button and remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is Sophie and welcome to today's video. I would recommend that you watch the whole video till the end. Also remember to smash that notification bell. Very important so that you get to find out every time I upload a new strategy on how to make money online, and you can begin to get paid as soon as possible. For a better housekeeping, kindly remember to leave your comments below in case of any concerns, opinions, or questions. Without any further ado, let's get started. In today's video, I'll show you how to watch simple YouTube videos like this one and earn up to $3 for each one you view. First, start by navigating to the sign-in button at the far right top. Go ahead and click on it. You will then be redirected to this page. In case you use YouTube without signing in, I would recommend that you sign in first with your Google account. And if you do not have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for a new account with Google. It's free and fast. You need to be signed in on YouTube. Then on the left-hand side panel, on the home page of YouTube, you will be able to see a list of the best performing videos at the moment, under the title, The Best of YouTube. This is just an example of the list. Music, sports, gaming, news, life, and much more. In today's video, I will unveil to you an awesome secret method that isn't available anywhere at the moment. Go ahead and click on the gaming category now. You will be directed to the home page of the gaming category. Here, YouTube has an auto-generated top life games. And millions of people are watching these games, and they have no idea that they could be generating lots of money by watching these games. There is a group of individuals making a lot of money by using this secret method. And right now, I'm going to show it to you. First, let me offer you my initial bonus idea for today. Look for a life game category that is trending right now. You can pick a category by looking at the number of people watching it now. Your choice should be among the popular trending gaming videos at the moment. As you can see, everyone is rushing to view the game, and by doing so it's picking an excellent trend. Moreover, viewer capacity is growing very fast. I want you to note that many people like watching these gaming videos. And the amazing thing is that there is a big opportunity to earn money here. After identifying the most trending game channel, you will be required to open it. Now look at the video with a growing live viewer count. Click on it, and you will be redirected to the game video itself on YouTube's main page. Take a look at all of the live streaming videos that are currently available. But in order to convert these YouTube videos into real money, we must visit another website called 7r6.com. I'm going to put the link right here on the screen. Essentially, this website allows you to shorten links and transform them into real money. Don't panic, I'll take control of everything for you. It's a lot simpler than you might imagine. There aren't many people talking about this method right now, and if you stick around up to the end, you will be able to make a lot of money. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Do not also forget to subscribe to this channel. Now let's get back to the video. So the strategy is simple. You only need to create a free account on 7r6.com. Here we will use this website to shorten various YouTube video link. I'm going to teach you how to exactly do that in a second. Each single video you shorten its link will be your closest opportunity to make money with it. Let me show you how the concept really works with this example. While watching one of these videos, let's say this one, you can locate the share button right here. Now click on this button and you will find the link, which is the current link for the gaming video that you're watching right now. Go ahead and click on the copy button. This will put the video link into the clipboard. Now, navigate to 7r6.com and locate this box here. Paste your copied video link on it. Then click on this small yellow button. After that, 7r6.com will assist you to dynamically transform and shrink the long YouTube link into a new unique link. You will get paid every time someone clicks on this unique link, as you can see here in this example. Each day on this website, a lot of people are making a lot of money by doing exactly what I'm showcasing here. Your PayPal account will be used to cash out any earned money from the website. Also, any other payment options can be used too. We first need to create an account. So navigate to the homepage of this website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be redirected to this page, and here you can register your new membership account. It's so simple and easy. To do all these is completely free. You do not need to invest any money to create any account, and all these is available worldwide. Input your details in each text box, then agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then go ahead and press that register button. After registration, you will be required to log in to your account. And once you are on the dashboard, look around to familiarize yourself with the page features. First, navigate back to YouTube. Make sure the video game we are about to copy its link is among the most viewed live stream. Now locate the share button and copy the video link. Head back to 7r6.com and locate the text box for link shortening. Paste your YouTube link here. Then click the Shorten Link button. Confirm that the YouTube link has been shortened. Using the above method, navigate to YouTube and look for 3 most watched video games streaming live. Copy these links and shorten them on 7r6.com. If you manage to shorten lots of video links, then your chances of earning even more money is very high. An additional bonus tip for today is that I want you to navigate to another website called steamcommunity.com. On this site, lots of people are talking about various techniques on how to play various games, and also discussing about the trending video games similar to those trending on YouTube. Even right now, people are discussing about the top live streaming video game on YouTube. These video games are getting thousands to millions of views every day and have become so trending. Everyone on steamcommunity.com is discussing about them. Combining the power of 7r6.com with steamcommunity.com will ultimately double your ways to make money with these trending YouTube videos. On this one, all you will be required to do is to create a free account with steamcommunity.com. All you need to do within Steam Community is to start a trend, post something about the trending video game, then share the shortened link within the Steam Community. You'll get a lot of clicks from steamcommunity.com, and a lot of people will see your link and click on it. They will also be able to watch the video. So you'll earn money for every single click, and a single video may earn you hundreds of thousands of dollars. For those of you who are still watching, I have a secret extra tip that will help you earn more money than other individuals. This will now be a private website that I never reveal to anybody else. But for now, I'd like to introduce you to moot.us, a top-secret website. This is a unique forum where you may find a variety of individuals discussing the trending games. And there are a lot of people who are submitting different graphics, photos, and videos within moot.us. As you can see, they are receiving hundreds of thousands of views on the most popular video games. And since you've made it this far, I'd want to share this chance with you. And if you concentrate on this category and copy the link to this type of video, which is live streaming video, you could be generating hundreds of millions of views. And you'll make a lot more money as a result. So, as a last extra idea, I'd like to give you this 100% free copy and paste template that you can use and post it in the Steam community and make even more money. You'll get a lot of clicks on your shortened link if you post it on the moot.us forum as well, and you'll make a lot of money in the process. So, this is simply one of the extremely easy examples that will generate a large number of clicks. Have you guys seen this great trending gameplay video? This is what you can write on the template. It's so inspiring. Then you can add, you can watch the live streaming right here, followed by your shortened link. So simply, return to your dashboard and copy this link, then return to our template and paste it in. And that's our shortened link. All we have to do now is copy the full template and post it onto the Steam community forum. You don't have to put in a lot of effort because these gaming videos are catching trend like wildfire and are really popular right now. It will be easy to obtain a lot of clicks on your shortened links, especially if you locate good videos on YouTube that have a lot of views. That's how all of these guys are able to earn so much money from all over the world for each video they view. That's all there is to it on how to earn money online by simply watching YouTube videos. Before I leave, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, then hit the like button. I'll see you in the upcoming videos.